Let's talk about the coronavirus. What are your thoughts on the president's mandate that people have to get vaccinated?
Well, it's a sticky situation for me because I've worked in the healthcare field, and whenever I worked at those jobs, I got the vaccination, the hepatitis B vaccination, those that were necessary for me to work in those areas with close proximity. With the coronavirus, there's just been so much political yakking and not enough clear information. I mean, anybody that's trying to take a clear look at it, what to believe? Because, earlier it was nothing, then it became something, and obviously there's something to it. But we need our government to give us clear information rather than trying to use something to, play political football with people's lives. Pandemics, plagues have happened so many times in human history. They're going to happen again in the future. And so what my plan is, if elected governor, is to come up with a way for us to deal with these situations without mandating that a person has to do this, because that's not what America's about. We're about liberty, we're about freedom, we're about this is a place where people can carve out a way for themselves if they do no harm to another.
What about mask mandates? For example, the governor banning mask mandates, do you think that is right? And should school boards have the right to ban or allow, or to ban mask mandates or require masks for students and staff?
Yes, I'm on the record saying that I would support a mask mandate. I'll use this example. I did some mission work in Japan, and for their culture, it's customary for people to wear a mask if they just have a cold and they show up to work because they don't want to infect one another. And it comes down to, what does that say about our culture, that we are so willing to fight one another over a mask, knowing that it might be able to protect our fellow Arkansan? What does that say about us? Do we truly care about one another? Or do we care more about being right, about our opinions? We value our opinions more than we value human life.